Bienvenue dans la magie des histoires.
Le crocodile qui n'avait pas de dents, de Christelle Huet-Gomez, Isabelle Gribout, publié par les éditions Kamishibaï et proposé en langue anglaise. On the bank of the Kikoulou River lived the saddest crocodile. Mashed potatoes for breakfast, mashed potatoes for lunch, and again, mashed potatoes for dinner. Why so much mashed potatoes? Because our crocodile had no teeth. One day, as he caught sight of an elephant who was drinking in the river, our crocodile had an idea. Elephant, dear elephant, if I promise never to eat you, would you give me one of your teeth? If you promise never to eat an elephant, I'll do even better. I'll give you a piece of my tusks so that you can make yourself some teeth. They will be white and solid, perfect for a crocodile. The crocodile accepted without hesitation and left happier than ever. A little further, our crocodile saw a lion grooming himself. Lion, dear lion, if I promise never to eat you, would you give me one of your teeth? If you promise never to eat a lion, I'll do even better. I'll give you the biggest of my claws, so that you can make yourself some teeth. They will be sharp and pointed, perfect for a crocodile. The crocodile accepted again and left even happier. Looking upward, our crocodile caught sight of a long-necked giraffe feasting on green leaves. Giraffe, dear giraffe, if I promise never to eat you, would you give me one of your teeth? If you promise never to eat a giraffe, I'll do even better. I'll give you a piece of my hooves so that you can make yourself some teeth. They will be tough and cutting, perfect for a crocodile. The crocodile was delighted and left still happier. Our crocodile was already starting to have a lot of beautiful teeth, solid, sharp, pointed, tough, and cutting. He, nonetheless, decided to carry on to become the fiercest crocodile, the one whose jaw will terrorize all the animals from the source to the mouth of the river Kikoulou. Then he asked a gazelle, a rhino, a tigerfish, a panther, a monkey, and 1,000 more animals who gave him claws, horns, and even fins in return for a promise. He would never eat them. Soon, our crocodile had the biggest, the most terrifying, and above all, the most surprising jaw in all the jungle. Then he decided to go hunting. On the bank of the river, he soon spotted an elephant. He approached slowly, but before he had time to open his mouth, the elephant stopped him. Crocodile, dear crocodile, remember the promise you made. Our crocodile carried on, but he met lions, giraffes, gazelles, rhinos, tigerfish, panthers, monkeys, and 1,000 more animals who reminded him of the promise he had made. So, guess what our crocodile had for dinner that night? Mashed potatoes! But he was not the saddest crocodile anymore, because from the source to the mouth of the river Kikoulou, he had the most beautiful smile of all the animals.
Si tu as aimé cette vidéo, mets un like et abonne-toi.